Y'all, I designed the most perfect t-shirt for us. I'm so excited, y'all, to announce that my custom t-shirt design with Bonfire is now live. It's actually only live for 21 days, so I placed the purchase link directly in the description box down below. The design is so fun, and it really does just scream Taren. You already know I had to add a swimsuit and an iced coffee, but also this cutie little lemon slice. The beach background with the sunshine and the seashells, it's totally us in a t-shirt, and I'm so thrilled that it came together so well. The team at Bonfire was incredible throughout this entire design process. It's actually been months in the making. So it's adorable as a cover-up, but also an oversized sleep shirt. I grabbed the Comfort Colors t-shirt in a size 3XL in the color Chalky Mint, but there are several options to choose from. Orchid, butter, y'all know yellow is my favorite color, neon red orange, white, and of course the Chalky Mint. You can also choose a Comfort Colors crew neck sweatshirt, okay? We couldn't leave the sweatshirts out. I just love the quality of Comfort Colors and how well it holds up, so I also added a tank. These are perfect for throwing over a swimsuit. I did create a classic unisex tee as well if Comfort Colors isn't your vibe. Let's talk about hoodies because I have 5 different colors in this style, a few of them sizing up to a 5XL. Last item is a tie-dye hoodie. Does this not scream summer? I cannot wait to get my hands on all of these colors. Let's talk price. The most affordable option is the classic unisex tee at $24.99. I know that y'all will love this one. However, here's a look at the entire price breakdown for each item. I actually packed my t-shirt for Disney. I designed this t-shirt with a company called Bonfire. How cute. So swimsuit, you've got the iced coffee, a lemon wedge, beachy vibes. I will link it down below if you're interested in purchasing. There's t-shirts, sweatshirts, tank tops. It's like a limited time drop. So I will link it down below for you, but I do want to take some cute pictures in this. But you'll see that very soon in the vlogs. But listen, right now, how cute would this be cut into off the shoulder, off the shoulders to wear over a swimsuit? I did watch a video on how to cut properly. So stretch out the neck of the shirt. I'm gonna cut along here. Staying close to the collar. I can always cut more if I want. Then I'm gonna take this and stretch it out a little bit because I want that rolled edge. Just like that. Yes. Ah! Okay, so cute. I could even cut a little bit more if I wanted a little bit more off the shoulder. Oh my gosh, I love this. I'm obsessed with it cut one shoulder like this. We're taking our first spin in a little workout class. I actually went through this morning and cut maybe 1/4 of an inch, less than 1/4 of an inch more of the shirt, and then stretched it out to get it to roll again like I mentioned earlier. I'm obsessed with this. If I haven't said a bazillion times already in this video, the design, the style of this shirt, especially with it cut, I think this is so cute. So work out first, and then we will absolutely go and grab us a little iced coffee. That was so hard. Look at my face. Okay. Shirt held up great though. Last stop, y'all already know, no surprises here. Though this is a new location for y'all. This one is closer to where I go work out. Cream and just 2 shots of espresso instead of 3. Thank you.
Thank you. You have a good one.
You too. Got the goods. We will be doing a taste test. However, for years, Yellow Hammer has been my favorite coffee. It is local, so unfortunately you can't get it everywhere. However, well, they do ship, but when people come into my area, they'll ask me what to get, and I always recommend this. It's an iced blondie, no whip, only 2 shots instead of 3. Gosh, that's so good. Okay, I will absolutely be grabbing the brown tee in this and the tie-dye hoodie, one of the colors. I love them all. I also want a yellow in the butter color, so I need to go to the website and grab me a few too. How it works also, they will ship your item once the 21 days is complete. So remember the date that I posted in the beginning. Once the end date has been reached, they will ship the items out. So just a heads up. I'm gonna enjoy my coffee and my little off the shoulder t-shirt. It's 75 degrees right now. This design is really the perfect summer edition, and I cannot wait to see you all in it. So please, please, please tag me. I also wanna say thank you because without y'all, this wouldn't be possible. So shout out to y'all, shout out to Bonfire. I will leave a link, like I've mentioned, directly in the description box down below to purchase. Let me know what you're grabbing.